Hi Squishy Wonders! So today we will unbox these blind boxes. So let's choose this one. So now I will shake it for luck. Okay, so now we will peel it. Oops. Okay, it's fine. So there is. Okay, wait. What will you get? So let's see. So we have gotten the mystery one. So let's see how many gifts we have got. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So I will unbox this one. So I have got these Sanrio stickers. They are Kuromi, My Melody, My Sweet Piano, and these are so beautiful. Now I will unbox this one. Dear. Yeah. I have paper clips. We have the bear one, this fox, and this rabbit. So cute. These are so cute. I love them all. Now this one. Okay. Oh. So I think it's a notebook. Yeah, it is. A Kuromi notebook. Kuromi. Mini notebook. So I have unboxed the school blind box. So let's unbox the another one.